2 months after the Supreme Court decision heard round the world, the real implications of the same-sex marriage ruling are settling in sometimes unexpected ways. Jim Obergefell, the lead plaintiff in the case that legalized gay marriage, was in Columbus today to speak with attorneys at the Columbus Bar Association. They heard his story and also some words of caution about the fallout of the new law.
I lived up to my promises to my husband to protect him, to honor him, and to love him. And it's incredible that doing that has also had the benefit of making our country a better place.
Jim Obergefell says it's been a whirlwind since the day he walked out of the Supreme Court in victory. He's somewhat of a celebrity. A husband and wife stopped him on the streets.
And they wanted the photo of me with their children in their strollers. And then they tweeted it to say, "Thank you, Jim, for making the world a better place for our kids." Another gentleman, I was walking by, and he simply raised his left hand and pointed at his ring finger and said, "Thank you."
He shared his story with attorneys at the Columbus Bar Association, who also heard from family law experts who had a cautionary tale.
There are a lot of folks who are running out. They're so excited about the decision, and they're running out and they're getting married, and they're not giving a lot of thought to perhaps they entered into a civil union previously or a domestic partnership previously. So we have people who may have 2 and 3 legal relationships with different people.
Leanne Masucci is advising newly married same-sex parents to make sure they get the proper adoption or parentage orders. But she says the real problems are cropping up for gays who married in another state before it was valid in Ohio.
So they're getting married in Ohio and not disclosing their previous marriage. Well, the Obergefell decision ratified all of those marriages.
For Obergefell, these past 2 months,
It's been beautiful. It really has.
and for attorneys, Masucci says it's been a busy time of working through the kinks in the legal system.
It's giving me the opportunity to continue to do family formations, which is really wonderful. We'll leave it at that.
Jim Obergefell says he's been invited to share his story all around the country, but the full impact of the decision still hasn't settled in for him. Leanne Masucci says attorneys are also getting used to the long-term implications of the new law.